Dance Performance Levels by Erin, Kayla, and Amanda. For the first kindergarten standards, you perform locomotor skills and non-locomotor movements to a steady beat. For example, you can clap to a simple rhythmic beat. For first grade standards, you can create or imitate movement to respond to rhythms and music. Second grade standards. This demonstrates a smooth transition between an even beat for the skills and an uneven beat to the response of music or an external beat. Another standard from this is performing rhythmic sequences related to simple folk dance or ribbon routines, or performing with a partner with rhythmic sequences related to a simple folk dance or ribbon routines. Grade standards for third grade are performing a line dance or a circle dance, folk dance with a partner. This standard defines and comprehends and contrasts all the dances combined. Fourth grade standards. This performs a series of basic square dance steps, performing a routine to dance and music to an even or uneven pattern. This is a design for the routine that includes different patterns to even and uneven beats. Grade 5 standards. This standard is designed to perform a creative dance combining the locomotor patterns with intentional changes in speed and direction. It also has a design to perform it to an object, music, speed, and manipulating an object. Grade 6 standards. This standard is performing folk and line dances. It develops and refines the routines of music. It demonstrates the identity of patterns for both folk and line dances. This explains the movement of qualities contributed to an aesthetic demonstration of physical activity. For performance level for second graders, there is beginning, intermediate, and advanced. For beginning learners, it is just a demonstration of a basic clap or beat to a song. The intermediate one is students will demonstrate it and then move left to right. For an advanced, it is put all together and included with a partner. Here is our demonstration video.
Beginning, intermediate, advanced.
And then here is the overall teaching cues.